The next salvage project on Epiphany is seeing if the sewing machine survives. She was on the floor up on the port bow, and it appears to have gotten some water damage. So let's take the cover off. And yeah, I can see things got wet a little bit. Hopefully she survived. We'll dry her out. Oh yeah, she got water, but maybe it didn't get up to the motor and everything else. I can see a little surface rust. I can oil up all the mechanicals. We'll see about the electrical. So let's get this dried out, put some fans on it, let her sit here, and we'll see how we do. All right, we've got 2 fans blowing on it. Got a big one here. We've wiped up all the water we could. Took all our parts and components out so they can dry, and we'll have to oil and get the rust off everything. But let's let her dry out and lube her up next. A couple days of drying out with fans on her. I think she's good and dry. You can see surface rust on everything. So we've got our trusty WD-40. If it's good enough for Minuteman missiles to dry them out. U.S. military developed this for drying stuff out. Missiles. We're going to spray everything down, get everything freed up, lubed up, and try out our sewing machine. So we're going to be very liberal with the WD-40. And then we'll go back over with the heavy machine oil once everything's freed up and moving, and lubricate it. Just rotating it by hand. Getting everything freed up and lubed up. I'm going to remove the top cover to lubricate down inside. So let's see what we got here. Fortunately, there doesn't appear to be any rust up in the upper workings of the machine. So we'll lube all this up, continue hand turning it, freeing everything up. And being that the motor is higher on the machine, hopefully it did get wet. Now for the moment of truth. Let's turn it on and see if she functions. It's alive! The sewing machine has survived. Woohoo!